Hello, what's up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today we're gonna talk about the most expensive stock in the world. Okay guys, disclaimer lang. Unang-una, hindi ito Bitcoin. Kasi nun sa TikTok, tinanong ko yung mga followers ko doon kung ano yung sa tingin nila yung pinakamahal na stock na pwede mong bilhin sa buong mundo. And may mga sumagot na sabi nila Bitcoin and soon daw Bitcoin na. Pero kasi hindi stock si Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies yung Bitcoin. So hindi siya considered and mas mahal pa rin naman itong stock na to compared sa Bitcoin currently. Pero yeah, I just wanted to clarify that na hindi security, hindi stock yung Bitcoin. Alright, so let's get started. So, I think kung pina-follow mo ako or like nanonood ka ng mga episodes ko previously, I think alam mo na na ito yung may pinakamahal na stock sa buong mundo. So, Berkshire Hathaway. And syempre, yung CEO and yung hindi naman founder, kasi binili lang naman niya yung Berkshire Hathaway back in the 70s or the 60s. So, si Warren Buffett, yung leader nitong si Berkshire Hathaway. So, grabe. Tingnan natin yung presyo, per stock, per one stock ng Berkshire Hathaway Class A stock. Yung stock ko niya is BRK.A. It is $412,500 US dollars. Again, that's $412,500 US dollars. Okay. So, sobrang mahal, 'di ba? So isipin mo kung bumili ka previously nung mura pa lang itong stock na to. Like sabihin natin yung parents natin, like bumili sila like 80s, 90s. And then ngayon, grabe na kamahal nung stock ni Berkshire Hathaway. So, yung open niya, by the way, this data came from Friday. So, yung open niya that day, 415,000. Highest was 417,000. And then yung lowest is 412. And then yung nag-close siya at 412,500. Yung market cap niya is 629.72 billion US dollars. And then yung PE ratio niya, So, hindi siya ganun kamahal na stock. I mean, based dun sa PE ratio niya. Kasi, ang laki nung kinikita nitong company na to. So, yung PE ratio niya is around average lang. So, 15.47. And then yung 52-week high niya, highest point was 417,905. And then yung 52-week low is 250,926. So, nangyari yan last year. Nung nag-start yung COVID, medyo nag-crash yung market. So, ayun. Pero grabe. Halos na doble na in just a year yung presyo ni Berkshire Hathaway. Well, lahat naman ng mga securities ngayon is like umaarangkada talaga, So ito. So yung pinaka like luma or pinakamatagal or pinakamahaba na nakita kong graph kay Berkshire Hathaway was from Yahoo Finance. So this was dating back from 1980. Pero matagal na nakalist doon si Berkshire Hathaway. On that year, so March 24, 1980, so nasa 290, 270 US dollars pa lang per share si Berkshire Hathaway. So isipin mo kung bumili ka na isang stock back then. Well, yeah, it's a long time, So 41 years. So ito, hindi 21 na. Kung bumili ka nung 1980 and ako hindi pa ako buhay nun and siguro yung ilan sa inyo hindi pa rin buhay nun or like bata pa kayo, hindi pa naman kayo makakabili ng stock ng Berkshire Hathaway and hindi pa naman uso internet dati, di ba? Like sa buong mundo. And I don't think na kung Pinoy ka na nasa Philippines at that time na makakabili ka ng stock ng Berkshire Hathaway unless like mayaman ka na rin talaga, like you have influence. I'm not sure kung paano nag-work dati kasi nga walang internet. So, yun. And kahit ngayon, hindi rin ganun kadali bumili nitong Berkshire Hathaway. Kasi, ang gusto talaga ni Warren Buffett, yung bumili ng mga stocks nitong company niya are hindi like traders and hindi yung parang pinaglalaroan lang yung stock, So, gusto niya, and syempre, yung buong Berkshire Hathaway, gusto nila yung bumili sa stocks nila ay yung mga serious investors na talagang hahawakan na yung stock, And kakalimutan nila na hawak nila yan. And yun, Parang simple explanation lang, but we'll get to that later. So yeah. So isipin mo, no, naglabas ka lang ng $300 more or less. Then after 41 years, 412,500. That's crazy. So yun, balikan naman natin yung history ni Berkshire Hathaway. So paano ba siya nagsimula? So noong 1839, this company was founded by Oliver Chase as the Valley Falls Company in Valley Falls, Rhode Island. So hindi talaga Berkshire Hathaway yung original name nitong company na to, and originally hindi talaga siya holdings company. Noong 1955 naman, yung Berkshire Fine Spinning Associates and Hathaway Manufacturing merged and Berkshire Hathaway was formed. So, dito napanganak yung Berkshire Hathaway. So, from 1955, ito talagang yung pangalan niya. And textile company siya before. Pero medyo nalulugi na siya nung binili siya ni Warren Buffett. Yun, noong 1965, si Warren Buffett and his investment firm came in to purchase and take full control of the struggling company. Since yun nga, syempre, yung businesses, it comes and it goes, no? So, hindi like pwedeng forever na ikaw yung laging nasa top ng game. Diba? Kasi like ngayon, like before, diba? Yung mga nasa taas is like IBM, yung sa mga computers, diba? And then, ang dami na nagpalitan, napunta yung Microsoft. Well, yung Microsoft naman is like software company. And then, na-overtake din ng Apple, diba? So, it's hindi ka pwedeng like maging kampante dun sa mga companies na binibili mo. Kasi sobrang rapid na nung growth nowadays. So yung technology natin is like nag-improve siya on the daily basis. So every single day nag-improve yung technology natin. So kung meron kang or kung madali mong ma-pick up or madali mong maintindihan yung business ng technology and innovation, I think okay na mag-invest doon. And syempre meron naman mga ETF na katulad ng BRK.A, yung sa ARK. So 'di ba meron silang what they call this, meron silang ETF for like companies na involved sa innovation and disruptive parang fields. So I think okay yun. And then meron din si what they call this, si Vanguard na ETF din, and then it's for information technology. And then syempre meron din yung mga traditional na VTI and VOO. So ayun, yun yung mga pwede nyong like pag-investan, lalo na kapag ayaw nyong mag-pick ng individual stocks. Kasi pagka nag-invest kayo dun, like lahat ng companies na yun, di ba, either they succeed or not, naka-invest ka dun. So for example, di ba yung S&P 500 nga, yung 499 companies is tumataas yung stocks na yun, and then may isang nag-fail, nagsara na, na-bankrupt, and then wala na, inabsorb na lang na isa pang company, so nawala na siya. Hindi ka greatly affected, diba? Paano kung doon ka lang nag-invest dun sa isang stock na yun, then wala, lugi yung investment mo, diba? So okay na mag-buy and hold, but you still have to like recheck from time to time, no? Okay lang na maging passive investor, but you have to recheck from time to time kung yung hawak mong companies is like okay pa ba, no? Like for example, nag-buy and hold ka, and then isang taon mo hindi tinignan. Syempre after a year, titingnan mo, okay pa ba tong company na to? Okay pa ba tong stock na to? Nagbibigay pa ba to ng dividends? Kumikita pa ba sila? And ano ba yung plano nila in the future? So those are like the things that you have to consider and you have to like do. Diba? Kailangan mo pa rin gawin yung homework mo even though buy and hold lang yung strategy mo. Okay, noong 1970, Warren Buffett took over as the CEO of the company and has transformed it into one of the biggest companies in the world. So as we know it, ngayon, diba? Yung current market cap nga niya as of this year is $629.72 billion US dollars. Pagka kinonvert yan sa pera natin, that is a whopping 30.37 trillion pesos. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That is a lot of money. Okay, so eto, yung mga Berkshire Hathaway subsidiaries, I think ito yung mga pinaka-familiar sa atin, or like personally for me, ito yung mga familiar: Geico, Heinz, Dairy Queen, Duracell, Fruit of the Loom, and See's Candies. Alright, so yung Geico is insurance company, Dairy Queen is fast food restaurant, Duracell is battery and power company, Fruit of the Loom is clothing company, and yung See's Candies is a retail company. So, di ba? Ang lalaki na rin itong mga companies na to, but they're all under Berkshire Hathaway. 100% yan. Except yung Heinz, nag-ano na siya. Nag-merge siya sa into Kraft Heinz noong 2015. But yeah, previously malaki yung holdings, majority holdings ng Berkshire Hathaway sa Heinz. But ngayon, I think nasa 15-ish% na lang. So, hindi na ganun kalaki. But still, meron pa rin silang holdings with Kraft Heinz. And then ito naman, yung current holdings mismo ng Berkshire Hathaway. So, ito yung portfolio nila. So, yung pinakamalaki sa value, sa market value, or in monetary value, is Apple Incorporated. So, nasa 119 billion yung kanilang hawak na Apple stocks. And then, Bank of America. Actually, mga hinighlight ko dito is yung mga familiar sa akin, and then I think familiar din sa inyo. American Express, so credit card, Coca-Cola, syempre, hindi mo mawala yan. Isa yan sa favorite stocks ni Warren Buffett, and sabi niya hindi daw niya kahit kailan ibebenta yung Coca-Cola. And we also have Kraft Heinz, as I've said earlier, Verizon, so nasa telco and communications, Chevron, and this is petrol power, General Motors Company, so automobile, Wells Fargo, banking, finance, Visa, same, banking and finance. Yung Merck & Co, I'm not sure, but pakita ko na lang dito sa screen kung anong ginagawa nila. So Amazon is retail and e-commerce, and then meron din like I think iba naman yung stock ng AWS, so hindi yun sa cloud computing nila. And then MasterCard is finance, then credit card. So diba, grabe yung holdings nila, and hindi biro yung stake nila. Yung sa Apple, ang laki-laking company ng Apple, nasa 5% yung stake nila. Yung may pinakamalaki sila is like nakilala natin is nasa Kraft Heinz pa rin, 26.6. Kasi yung Davita Incorporated, 33.9% yung stake nila, but I'm not sure kung anong company yun. But yeah, anyway, ito yung kanilang portfolio. Okay, so now let's answer the question, why is Berkshire Hathaway stock so expensive? So, unang reason yan, stock price is an indicator of a company's market value, but the price of a share of stock will also depend on the number of shares outstanding. So yeah, kasi may ibang like stocks, diba? Like ang dami nung ini-issue nilang shares, and then pag minsan nabibigay pa sila ng stock dividends. So like mas madami pa yung mga shares na na-issue nila. And then meron parang follow-up FOO, follow-on order, parang ganun. Like mag-list ulit sila ng panibagong shares. So dumadami yung circulated, yung nagsisirculate na stocks sa market. So medyo i-effect nun syempre pag tumaas yung supply, then medyo bababa ng konting prices. So the reason why certain stocks are priced so high is usually due to the company having never or rarely having completed the stock split, and din yung case ni Berkshire Hathaway. The main reason why Berkshire Hathaway Class A stock is priced so high is that the company didn't decide to split its stock. So simula nung nag-take over si Warren Buffett noong 1960s, 1970s, never pa sila nag-split ng stock. So kaya ganun, exponential growth talaga yung nangyari sa kanilang stock prices, and hindi mo naman talaga ma-question yung pagtaas ng stock prices nila. And ayun nga, gusto talaga ni Warren Buffett is hindi like mapunta or like mapaglaruan ng mga traders, no, yung stock nila. So mga serious investors lang talaga ng company yung like nakakabili ng stock. And as a result, the price of each share has risen along with the immense growth of the holding company over the past decades and is now the most expensive publicly traded stock. So yeah, may iba't iba rin kasing ibig sabihin ng expensive kasi we have like the most valuable company, right? Apple. I'm not sure kung that is true pa rin. I think Amazon has taken over that spot, but I'm not sure. I need to fact check that. Hindi ko na check, but yeah, papakita ko na lang dito sa screen ulit kung alin ba yung like most valuable company in the world. Kasi ibig sabihin lang sila may pinakamataas na market cap. Kasi nga, si Berkshire Hathaway, konti lang shares na na-issue nila. Kasi hindi sila like parang nag-follow on order, yung parang nagbigay ulit ng stock. So, hindi rin sila nag-split. So, hindi dumadaming shares outstanding nila. So, although sa monetary value, no, sila yung most expensive publicly traded stock, hindi sila yung most valuable company, no. So, before nga, di ba, na-claim, I think around 2012, na-claim ng Apple yun. Kasi sila may pinakamataas na market capitalization sa lahat ng companies na listed sa stock market sa buong mundo. Alright, I hope that's clear. Okay, so we have to understand din, no, kung ano ba yung stock split para syempre magka-idea din tayo kung bakit hindi nila yung ginawa and bakit ito ginagawa ng ibang companies. So in a stock split, a company increases the number of shares outstanding while lowering the price accordingly. For example, say a stock was trading for $1,000 a share. Everyone who owned one share previously worth $1,000 for a total value of $1,000 would go get 2 shares worth of $500 for a total value of $1,000. Okay, gets ba? So, hindi like madodoble, no, pagka nag-stock split. Hindi madodoble yung stock mo, hindi magiging 1,000. So, ibig sabihin lang, split lang nila. Kasi nga, ginagawa din to ng ibang companies para maging like, affordable, quote-unquote, yung kanilang stock. Kasi pag sobrang tumataas na yung isang stock and then like per share, diba? For example na lang, sa local stock market natin, yung Globe, diba? Nasa 2,000 pesos siya per share. Well, yun yung parang highs niya. But ngayon, nasa 1,800, 1,900 range. That was the word, yeah. Nasa 1,800, 1,900 range yung prices ni Globe currently. And it's quite expensive, diba? Lalo na kapag bago pa lang sa stock market and hindi mo like natitingnan yung mga dividend yield and all that. But yeah, yun lang yung like parang main reason nila kung ba't sila nagsa-stock split. So ito, Warren Buffett and the board of directors don't prefer to split up their shares as it would essentially make it easier for more and more unserious investors to obtain ownership within the company, diba? Kasi nga, ay nilang like paglaruan lang na yung stocks nila. Kaya hindi na sila like nag-stock split. And never pa sila nagbigay ng dividends. Yun yung parang weird dito sa company na to. Ang laki ng kinikita nila palagi every single year. Pero hindi sila nagbibigay ng dividends. Ang talagang binibigay lang nila is yung growth potential ng stock. Which is really promising naman and hindi ka naman mabibigo kung bumili ka ng Berkshire Hathaway stocks. And then this would eventually let the stock become subject to more speculation and short-term trading, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, kaya ayaw nila mag-stock split kasi nga pag nagmura yung stock, then maraming like traders na, magte-trade na tong stock na to. He prefers to treat the company's shareholders as partners and not just like investors that can constantly switch within hours or days. So, yun talagang principle ni Warren Buffett. Siya yung kumbaga original na hodler, no? Talagang buy and hold lang siya na type ng investor. And by the way, kung gusto nyo bumili ng Berkshire Hathaway stock, we can buy it naman. Pero yung Class B na stocks nila. So currently nasa $274.95 per share yung Berkshire Hathaway Class B. So, di ba, kumbaga, mas affordable siya compared sa $400,000 na per share nung Class A stocks. So, yeah, kung interested kayo, you can buy this through eToro. And kung hindi nyo pa alam kung paano like maggawa ng account, mag-open ng account, mag-apply ng account sa eToro, just click yung link dyan sa description sa baba. And we also have here dito sa banner sa right hand side nyo. So may card dyan, you can just click that one as well. And of course, if you're enjoying this video so far, smash nyo yung like button kasi that will help sa algorithm ni YouTube. Okay, moving on. Yung market cap nito is same lang, dun sa Class A. And then yung highest niya in 1 year is 277.79. 52-week low was 167.04. So grabe, $100 na more or less yung kinita mo per share kung bumili ka na itong nag-dip itong stock na to. Well, I think halos lahat naman ng stocks na listed sa US are like on a crazy bull run. Kasi nga, gawa din nung na-inject na pera sa economy nila. Kasi I think ilang beses sila nagbigay ng, di ba, ng ayuda sa kanilang mga, like, everyone got it as far as I know. And it's no joke, no? Ang laki din nung nakukuha nila. So yun, ang karamihan is like in-invest lang dito sa mga stocks, and then karamihan din is nag-invest sa crypto. So that's why nagkaroon ng crazy bull run even though mayroong pandemic. So ayun. Alright guys, we are heading towards the end of this episode. Silipin natin yung mga sources for today's video. Medyo marami yan. No? So a photo from Unsplash, Wikipedia, CNBC, Vintage Value Investing, Cliffcore, Investopedia, Google Finance, and Biblia. Lahat ng mga links nito is matatagpuan sa description sa baba. And before we end, so may iba naman tayo, no? Diba? Like lagi dati, puro quotes ni Warren Buffett, ni Charlie Munger, ni Bill Gates, ni Steve Jobs, ni Gary V, yung sinashare ko sa inyo. And then mga like comments of the day, highlighted comments of the day. Today naman, share ko sa inyo itong trip ko, no? Or like yung mga Bible verses na gusto kong basahin like paulit-ulit. So Proverbs lang talaga yung favorite like ko. I think I'm not sure kung ano nga yung tawag. Like book or chapter, I'm not sure, basta yun. Proverbs chapter 13 verse 4. So ito yung isang parang version, no. So the new international version. So medyo deep pa nga yung mga words. So yeah. A sluggard's appetite is never filled, but the desires of the diligent are fully satisfied. So, dahil dyan, medyo, nung una ko nga rin ito nabasa, like, what? So, yun, di ba? Meron ding, like, ibang parang translation dito sa Bible verse na ito. So, sabi dito sa isang version is, lazy people want much but get little, but those who work hard will prosper. So, yan, di ba? Mas maintindihan mo itong pangalawa kasi it's much simpler. Like, parang in layman's term, itong Bible verse, or itong translation na ito. So, yeah. Kapag, like, tatamad-tamad ka and wala ka namang ginagawa, and then gusto mong, like, maging successful sa field na ginagawa mo, gusto mong kumita sa investing, tas hindi ka naman nag-aaral ng companies, hindi ka naman, like, nag-aaral ng projects ng crypto, so, nothing will really happen unless you're like really, really, really lucky. Diba? And ayun. But if you like work hard, just keep your head down and just grind it out, then eventually you will see progress. And eventually end game, diba? Maging successful din. And syempre mahalaga din kasing like i-enjoy mo yung process. Kasi pag hindi ka nag-enjoy din sa process, then parang pinipilit mo lang yung sarili mo gawin yung isang bagay na hindi mo naman talaga gustong gawin. So yeah. Mahalaga din na yung ginagawa natin, no, para like maging financially free tayo, para maging like masaya tayo, 'di ba? Like dapat na enjoy natin. Kasi parang hindi na siya trabaho, 'di ba? Pagka na-enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo. So yun, okay, 2 cents ko lang about this Bible verse. So yeah, I hope that nakarelate din kayo dito, and I hope na parang you live by this then para matulungan din kayo like sa inyong journey to become successful in whatever you do and to be financially free. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. Sana may natutunan kayo, and if umabot kayo at the end of this episode, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Syempre, huwag nyo kalimutan i-smash yung like button. Sobrang nakakatulong yun sa algorithm ni YouTube. Pagka ginawa nyo yun, masasuggest itong video ko sa mga like-minded people like us na gustong maging financially free. And if bago ka naman sa channel ko, ano pang ginagawa mo? Smash mo na yung subscribe button and ring the notification bell para wala kang ma-miss out sa mga uploads ko every Monday and Friday, sometimes Wednesday. Actually, last week, almost every day ako nag-upload, no? I think Thursday lang yung na-miss ko, but yeah. Yung regular schedule talaga nung like mahaba nating episodes, medyo in-depth na discussion, should be on Mondays and Fridays. So yeah, abangan nyo yun. So subscribe na kayo. And of course, if hindi nyo pa alam, meron ng channel membership si Peso Smart PH. So click nyo lang yung second link dyan sa description to know more about it. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you all in the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.